Good day everyone, and welcome back to Adventures with Parker. Today this weekend actually, we are doing a little getaway here in Toronto, Ontario. So yeah, I am joined by Michael, who is behind me here, as well as my mom and Darin, who are inside. I'll introduce you to them in just a second. But yeah, we're gonna be spending the weekend here. Tonight, we're gonna be going on a little aerial tour over the city. Super fun, that is with FLYGTA. So yeah, and then tomorrow we're gonna be doing a bunch of cool stuff as well. This is gonna be a pretty cool adventure. So, without any further ado,
let the adventures begin.
all right, so we're all checked into our condo. We are staying at the Madison this weekend. Very exciting. We have my mother over here.
I'm eating.
Oh dear.
I'm here now.
So yeah, we're just settling in, and in a moment we're gonna be heading downtown. We're gonna probably grab something to eat by the harbor, and then we're gonna go to the airport, and then we're gonna go fly around the city. Yes, fun, super fun.
There's a little sloth.
There's a little sloth.
There's a little sloth and it makes me really happy.
What?
Yeah,
What
it
you
makes me
talking about?
really happy, see?
Oh.
It's cute and it makes me happy, just like this cutie pie.
Oh my goodness. All right, so we're just waiting for Darin to get back. He went to the van to get some stuff, but we'll do a quick little tour. We have a bathroom off the side there. And then if you go over here, we have where Mike and I are staying. We have the kitchen
With the chocolate.
with the muffins. We go over here, we have a little living room area. And then the balcony, that's where we did our intro today. And then here's a room where Mommy and Darin will be staying. And then they also have a little ensuite in here.
2 hours later.
Are you excited, Michael?
Yep.
You guys excited?
I'm excited. Oh yeah.
All right, so we're gonna be boarding this plane. We got some champagne. Let's go. All right, how we doing?
Let's get pictures up here. Awesome! I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
All right, here we go. We are in the plane, all buckled in. What a view.
What a gosh.
This view is my favorite view.
Absolutely. You're my best view. Great flight. Yeah.
After such an exhilarating adventure, we were tired out. When we got back to the condo, we got supper from a Swiss chalet that was just down the street and called it a night. Of course, we had to get some rest to prep for tomorrow's adventure to Kensington Market and Chinatown. Which reminds me, part 2 of this weekend in Toronto vlog will be coming on Saturday, August 14th. If you enjoyed this video, you definitely don't want to miss it or any of the other adventures I do here on the channel, so be sure to subscribe. And of course, feel free to follow me on social media at @ADVParker for some photos from this trip as well as some other adventures I've done and channel updates. And finally, huge shout out to my grandmother. She's the one who bought my mom and I tickets for this as a Christmas gift last year, so without her, this video would not have been possible. See you next time, and as always, the adventure is calling. Start this adventure. Let's